Ladies and gentlemen, it is now 2013. Let us celebrate by setting off a bunch of fire alarms. 3, 2, 1. Anyways, it's now 2013. Happy New Year, everyone. That's it. Yeah, I know. There's a lot more alarms actually present right now than alarms that actually sounded. There's some stuff that I probably forgot to wire up. Some circuits and stuff. But anyways, it's pretty cool that at least the 4041, the 901, 9805, the 9833, a bunch of other strobes were able to go off. I think the mechanical horns really did it. Not really sure about what would have happened if the piezoelectric crap happened. Was able to go off. It would have probably been a little bit crazier, but I think this was the icing on the cake. I'm not counting that one. I didn't wire those up. Anyways, that's going to be it.